So disarmament ke juba, it was the first thing. Kon permis Paul nang menung aja. Paul nang say te ne to ku target. Can disarmament mo. And it is a part of strategic planning. Ku be lat in environment meten yen ngamai. Tradien meten mai. So when mobilization of disarmament juror to yudu kon allocate nige. Kam dien gana pamlob Salpakir. Ku bagu manan bin mawalat ba recruit. Chatwalk this following week. Jaga dol ka national security career bank tuap moy ga tayi ni moy ke bi ni jaga recruit jaga organize moy ga torbiel ken logistic. So now could you are carrying out disarmament, widespread disarmament. To kwana target again, kwador commanders, tinta Michael Cheng, kwador retired general, kwaka target, and this objective, elat kamishi yeno magayer malane, you bala pre of an commanded weapon. Katen nene oken. Dwang ni ngu manan, entaga tiger, mecha jab tere jub, and by you kabakan, kamach. So no lot. We can talk about it in large. They don't want it in war aid. Take Kongnat Nanke, that form of disarmament, Nang Yo Lalgongu, as we know, Sudan, you talk bang, take a shin. So banang keshikil betagurmaj manwaya yura mojak. Now there are many cases in Juba this following day. Like Rodian. It is one that we can talk about when Kura Kolanwal it is in making. And the point that Salpakir Jakor become Salpakir. I mean, the call become Bullmel. It is now happening. It is open to everybody who are now Katan and Connie. There is no chance for Bullmel code reject from Salpakir easily. Unless they struggle maybe bloody. Maybe Nanyok Managana call. So the real talk and done the thing, Melodian and Dan Larode. Attack and dan is a wallet Kamayom. Chabetu Kamayom, Chulabetu Kamayom, Kanarut Con. Later con Dejian Gabi, Laborin Heritage Walla BIP Protection Forces, they are Langatonga. So we talk about women Gabi in a situation that is nothing in Sudan, she clear. So she got a problem with me. So she can retreat. Ka be jarul dir me aret kelu jurodian gang jichum reinor. We was the first thing ka ku me anju reinor di breeze jichum reinen kun. In the state ta yu han mai. Na yin ka mayom and mi ju gu yi ga ne de yin ka to. Chi ga jang ka nuor la nuor mayom. So chake kang ke chur kumaka chane ke lagan manken despite they welcome nake ko chi chu mundian chaka yan mai. So yaranyo ko me te tin ran yura mo chum lo ko me chabetu group kon. So as a pride ka nuar nyen wan. Ko this time nuar di shemen ku nuar ko lo te ga bentiu. If they are still ta can idea mi je na mo ko de nuore ti suffering nuore ti je no wa mi yen gatin ka shoot kum ka jan ne me de ka attack ken ya de kan nak ka shoot ku wo cha ga ju ku me jar la le abor gormendit mi nyu je ko ne no bi ara jode as Jibentio be a message Karadun go na more push El Goai. Tell you there is unity among yourself. Key unity dun can work again. Go on, we expect these people to receive them. Can we medan ni na matuang medan ni kene di tak tiak di long a shop. Di jangan na ke ya bi ko wa de ga wa lor. Ko they were suffering people need to choose to say do are lu ne no ke. But instead cha ba nyong ke yo ar ka mai. Mi cher ke no. Akel mi jiek. Bel ne nuor ko de bentiu ka ta na ne cha ling nien ko me. Ko chakan chi humanity. Aring la siasa. Siasa which is a basic. Ko mugu iranu uri duor joga duor in this situation we are in today as a nuor. Chigui nu humanity ko no we are suffering. Adwer. Chechong. Meradien mo jagdien de SPLM la SPLM IG la kuma Salva Kiir nen kon ni chang kenin ti wote desertion midit take a rampen la mass desertion tene wan de jen de bangi je pin tin yang kan jang ken la pan ken ngen jang na no je kuma Salva Kiir je threaten ko ba choy e bro mi jin tin ke ne family de ke nuor we ti kon la ne ke ko ne to tan ne ba gor ken chi bo kor jan te yo ke chi bo ko nuor bu ngor ji ke wi ni ko Salva Kiir kel ke family Salva Kiir. These are the group that we remain ke SPLM this time. The reason we need kon la ne ko jang they come to the final stage. Chigatala ne go yoga divided into two. Come at all the memoguru de Salva Kiir gere. Lakin de ger ke interest dien. Michima interest Salva Kiir. Now take a group of nan alar would de Salva Kiir de ger based on the region. Take a group of nan alar would Salva Kiir de ger based on the interest of his family. So it is young confused in the middle. Chala issue ne dial to chetwok chinyal deng nyal ja kairar nyal deng nyal te geru masku point no kol manyang gora kairar daniel wada kot chul tong mayai ke pol yo ma ke Stephen Dieu daw ka udeng a shil ka garmela shwala kol por kudit kanene wan chanen nen ka kan yang plus ne kon ni yen do roken that ke you now these people they are living as SPLM